Hey y'all, it's Mary and I got my Stitch Fix. And I don't remember what number this is. It'll be in the title. I've gotten this for a few years now and I just love it. It saves me so much time and effort. Most everything I wear is from Stitch Fix. This is from Stitch Fix. I get a lot of things you can get. This is for men, women, children, teenagers. You can get all kinds of things. You can get clothing, you can get undergarments, you can get handbags and shoes and jewelry, all kinds of beautiful things. And how it was working was you paid a $20 styling fee and then you would get your 5 items. And then if you kept anything, you got that $20 back. So basically it was free if you kept anything. I mean, of course you paid for the items that you get. And they have recently changed it up where you can get more than 5 items. You can get 6, 7, 8. And I think they asked me last time if I wanted 8, and I said yes. I think that what might be in here. You always get your send back envelope in case in case there's things that you want to send back. And y'all, this is it's wonderful because if you decide not to keep anything, it only costs you $20. But if you sign up under me or someone that has Stitch Fix, you'll get $25 toward your account. So the first time you try it, if you hate it, it doesn't cost you anything because you have that $25 credit. So they'll take 20 of that and you'll have $5 left. If you want to try it again and you don't like anything, then it would cost you 15. But I think you would like it. My first time I loved everything. And you fill out an extensive survey that helps them know what you like and what you don't like. So let's see, they have a stylist and they send you, it says, thanks for letting us style you. They send you your information about what's in the package, what the price of each item is. If you buy 5, see now they did send me 3, they sent me 8 items. And if I buy 5 of the items, I still get that 25% discount, which is fantastic. If I buy everything, I'll get $25 off everything. So your stylist writes you a little notes. There is a QR code where you can scan and it'll tell you all about your stuff, but they also tell you about it right here. And my fix today was styled by Andrea. And I don't know if she's new to me or not because I haven't read her little thing, but I'll check it out. But y'all, let's try everything out and see what I got. I should give you a little sneak peek. So yeah, there's a lot in here, y'all. Okay, there's our sneak peek. Y'all, this is super cute, but I don't think this is a fabric that I can handle. I got all tops this time, which is what I asked for. So that's good. So I have 8 tops. This is it rayon? It's very soft, like cottony, but I have a terrible time. I shrink rayon. No matter, you guys have told me how to do it better, and I can't. I always ruin it. So, but I think this is super cute. And I asked them to change my size to 1X instead of 2X's. So I'm just showing it to you to see how it fits, because a lot of the last few times everything I've been getting has been too big on me. So I do like this. I had to take my red lipstick off because of this blouse. This blouse is very, very fancy. And I hate this color. I'm sure this is on my do not send color list. Although I don't know if they have such a thing. But it's actually very beautiful. The fabric is gorgeous. I'll try to show you that up close when we get seated. There's a glitter in it that's beautiful. It's not butter yellow. It sort of to me looks butter yellow, but it's more of a coffee with a lot of cream in it, which I love that color, but not on me because it washes me completely out. That's what I've been told. But it's a beautiful, way too fancy for me blouse. It's fancy. I'm never gonna wear something this fancy. I just have a black skirt on so you can see. I like this blouse. Now this is fancy also. This has some gold thread through it, which is very beautiful. This has a couple of buttons here and it can tie here. I don't like ties, but that wouldn't stop me from getting this blouse if I liked it. This has an under thing, which is detached, which is nice. And let me turn around so you can see it. I do like it. I think I have something similar, but I do like it. I think this is nice. Nice for holiday, nice for winter time. Okay, this top, I like this top. I like the color. It has buttons on the sides. It's a little snug around my middle. But I think if it was a 2X, it would still be the same way, and it would be too big on my shoulders. Let me turn around right quick and show you. If you hear scratching, that's Camille is trying to get over here into a closed door. They sent this very beautiful sweater, but see, is this how y'all are? This is how I am. Maybe it's a big person sizing problem, but when it comes to a sweater, an over thing, I would want a 2X. So this is, I was feeling for pockets. I thought, no pockets. It's got some cable knit going on. It's a very pretty color. I don't like it. I would never wear this sweater. I like it on somebody else. I like it. I think it's pretty. Not on me. And I also would want, I want it in a 2X because I want it to be loose and bigger. Y'all, when I saw this, I'm like, that's the one. But no. 1X, see how this is on the shoulders. It's already off my shoulder a little bit. If I had the 2X, it would be bigger. But the 2X would have a little more room here. It's a little snug around my middle. If I go to sit down, this isn't gonna stretch. This isn't that kind of fabric. This is very pretty though. It has covered buttons all the way down. It is lined, I'll show you that. It's lined in black. Not here at the top, I'll show you that. The sleeves are not lined. I don't know why everything has to have elastic sleeves. I'm not happy about this fix, so I'm a little crabby about it. I don't know why everything has to have elastic in it, because that's something that I hate is elastic. But all in all, I think this is a beautiful blouse. It's just not fitting me well. This has not been a great fix. What do y'all think? You may have noticed I did not try on 8 items because I have 2 t-shirts and I don't like t-shirts. And I don't know if, I've been getting this for a few years, and I don't think that they save all of our notes. They do ask you, they send you an email, not your first time, but they'll send you an email with 10 items asking you to pick and choose out of the 10 items what you might want in your fix and what you don't want. And then they do have a place where you can talk to your person, your stylist, and tell her stuff. But I didn't tell her anything because I've told them a few times before, I don't like t-shirts. Now these are nice t-shirts. They're not, they're not like graphic t-shirts. This is Market and Spruce, and it's cotton and polyester. It's indigo is what they say the color is. It's a plain collar. It does have a little ruching here around it. V-neck, not plain. V-neck and ruching, they don't fit me. They're too, if I got these kinds of things, I'd have to get them bigger. This is a 3/4 length sleeve, which I do like. Now on my sheet, there's a full size price. Every single thing they sent me is on sale, which is really nice. That's fantastic. I'm excited about that, except, so this was not on sale. This one's $29, okay? I like it lots, but I don't ever wear anything like that. A fitted kind of t-shirt, I don't, like I said, can't have anything tight around my middle. And when I put that on, it fit me pretty good. It just was snug around my middle, and I'm not gonna do that. Same with this beautiful red one. This is $49. It was on sale for $38.97. That is Market and Spruce brand, which I do like that brand. This brand is 9 Britain, and it's very beautiful. But I don't look at this, y'all. This is very pretty, scalloped edge all around, but this one all the way up here, that's the neckline, okay? And it is a 3/4 sleeve with that little edging around here. I forget the name of that edging. I used to know these things, but not my cup of tea at all. But everything is on sale, which is really cool. This blouse, I like this blouse, and again, it's not that like I would wear this kind of thing all the time, but I like the sleeves. It's so soft, y'all, but it's rayon. And that I know, maybe not in my original, because you don't tell about fabrics, but I've told them along the way, no rayon, because I've gotten rayon because I loved the blouse. Like, I like this blouse, but the first time I wash it, I'm going to ruin it. And y'all tell me ways to not do that, and I still ruined it after I kept a rayon blouse and listened to instructions, and I still ruined it. And I know it's me. I know it's not them. It's me. But that one is, let's see what that is. This one is from Market and Spruce, and it's not easy to find these things. I guess, is that black? That's a black check. Now, to me, I thought it was brown, but maybe it's a black check because it just says black. And this is $69, and it's on sale for $27.97. So fantastic sales. I don't remember the order of everything. I'm going to try to go in order, but this blouse is so elegant, y'all. You know, back in the day, I had a blouse like this, and it was more creamy color. This is, like I said, coffee with a lot of cream in it. It's beautiful. Doesn't look good on my skin tone. I had a blouse like this in my 20s, you know, in my 20s, when I would wear a pencil skirt and high heels and a jacket, maybe a suit. That's what this reminds me of. It's so not me anymore. You know, those days are gone from my life. But this fabric is gorgeous. I don't think you're going to be able to see. There is this gold in it. It's not like stitching of gold. I can't explain it because it's just speckled with gold. And this is from Daniel Rain is the expensive blouse. This is $69, but it's on sale for $28.97. It's called the Rhea Tie Neck Blouse. It's beautiful. And it's lined. You can see that it's lined. And then it has those beautiful fabric colored buttons in the front and everything. See, it has a lining, it's beautiful. It's not me. And then did I try this one? I think I tried on next. This one I like. I have something somewhat similar. Let's see, what is the brand of this one? This one is 9 Britain. This is called Sienna Satin Tie Neck Blouse in brown. And this is $46.97. That's the sale price. It's $59. This is very pretty. It's very pretty. And it would be nice for holidays and stuff. But why does everything have to have elastic? Honestly, this elastic did not bother me. There's something else or was this the one that did bother me? Now I have to try it on again to see. This has, underneath it, it has this whole, we got this in the last Stitch Fix, a blouse, maybe it's the same brand, that had this under it. And this is a cami, and it's adjustable. So this is very nice to get that. So that makes it worth the price. And that's beautiful. I may keep that one. I'm not sure. Next up, I think I tried this one. This is from Fortune and Ivy. And this one is not on sale, $39. And this, I liked this. Basically, I liked it. It's a nice fabric. It's cute sleeves. This rust isn't really all my colors, but I'm supposed to, dark tones are what goes with my skin, is what they tell me. This has these cute little buttons on each side, but this was a little snug around my middle. So I will be passing on that, $39. Then this beautiful sweater, y'all, this sweater really is very beautiful. It's very delicate and feminine. It has cable down, one big cable down each sleeve, if you can see that. And it has cables running down the back, a couple of cables running down the back. It's very beautiful. The buttons are covered. It does not have pockets, and it is so not me, and it's too small on me. This is Market and Spruce, and this is $59, and it's on sale for $46.97. So we'll pass on that. And then this blouse, y'all. This is me. I love animal print. I do have similar things, but this was too snug on me. This is Montgomery. What is the rest? Montgomery Post. This blouse is gorgeous. I think this was the elastic that did not bother me. That other elastic I think bothered me, which it will keep me from getting it. This has this beautiful collar around it. Beautiful sleeves. The sleeves are not lined. The blouse itself, it's got these buttons, covered buttons all the way down. It's very beautiful. Now this is a beautiful, elegant blouse. Buttons all the way down. I don't know that you can even see that, but they're there. And then this has a lining. See, not right at the top, but it's lined in the front, and then just a little bit in the down the back. Then it's lined all the way, which is really nice, because then nobody can see through it, because this fabric is a little bit on the see-through side. But this is gorgeous. I love this blouse. I would love to have this blouse, but it doesn't fit me. And this is on sale for $38.97, regular $49. I don't want to ask them for this in a bigger size, because to me it fit me in the shoulders. It just was not big enough around my middle. So, anyway, but so how this goes is the complete total is $296.82. The buy all discount, if I buy 5, I think it gives me, I don't know, it's giving me 25% off. I'd have to sit and figure that out myself. $74.21, that is 25% for all 8 pieces. That would make it $222.61 for all 8 pieces. That's a really good deal, but I can't do it because I'm not liking much of this. So I don't know if I'm going to keep that one blouse that I like. I think was 46 or 40. Yeah, it's $46.97. Maybe I'll keep it. I'm going to have to try it on again. If that elastic bothers me, I'm not keeping it, because I have several things with elastic. And it says from Andrea, your preview picks were such a great start. They sent me 10 things to choose from, and I only liked 2 of them. And I really can tell you, I don't even know which ones they were, because none of these look familiar to me. So, it says, this is how they talk. Your style has a polished, put together feel, and I love building on that for your fix. Since you chose the brown 9 Britain satin tie neck blouse, that's the one I like. Marked down right now, and the Fortune and Ivy textured knit top. I think that's the indigo top, but I didn't know it was a t-shirt by the, from the picture. I leaned into versatile tops you can dress up or keep easy. So see, that's their thought pattern, and that's a great thought pattern. So they're trying to work with you, which is great. So please don't let this be a, oh God, I hate this. I'm never gonna, Stitch Fix is awful. Don't feel that way. Because it's been a lot of fun, I will say that. And I mostly find things that I like. So it says, for an elevated work to weekend option, try the black markers. But then she's telling you how to style things back and forth. And also they tell you some things about how you can style these items with things that you already have bought from them that are already in your closet, which is very nice. So this, I really liked that we got 8 pieces this time. And I really like that they're still giving that 25% off if you choose 5. And then if you got all 8, you get 25% off the whole 8, which is nice. Even on the sale prices, most of these items, except for 2, were on sale. I still get the discount on the whole thing. That's what it looks like. So, and somebody signed up under me last time, so I got $25 credits. So thank you for whoever did that. They don't tell me who did that. So if you did, let me know. Just want to say just thank you. You don't have to let me know if you're too shy. That's okay. I just want to thank you. So y'all, let me know what you think, and don't let me keep you from trying it, because like I said, it's a lot of fun. And the first time you try it, it's not going to cost you anything, because you get $25 when you sign up under somebody. I have a link below if you want to sign up under me, and y'all take care and count your blessings. So good to see y'all. Bye-bye.